Hey folks, this is Dan, and welcome to our tech talk of the Sony WF-1000 XM3 noise canceling earbuds. And these are Sony's, I think, second iteration of noise canceling wireless earbuds. And to tell you the truth, these are the greatest earbuds that I've gotten to date. Now, just to give you some comparisons, I do have a whole bunch of earbuds. We have our normal AirPods. We got the AirPod Pros. I had the Bose Sound Sports, the Bose Quiet Comfort, old noise canceling headphones, and the QC35 Bluetooth editions. And finally have migrated to the Sony ones. I wanted an earbud type of wireless headphone that had the noise canceling ability, and I was intrigued after reading multiple reviews of the WF-1000 XM3 of some of the advanced features that it has. First and foremost, world-class, top-of-the-line noise cancellation. Now, I wish I could show you guys, but this is absolutely true. This works just as well, if not better, because it's also noise isolating in the ear canal than the over-the-ear Bose ones that I used to have. Granted, I think the Bose can cancel out a little bit more sound just by the virtue of being over the ear, while this is kind of in the ear. But again, this is very comparable. Now, one of the cool things that the earbuds allows you to do that Sony has anticipated that really appealed to me is ambient noise pass-through. Now, each of these earbuds does have a wireless microphone or a built-in microphone on the wireless earbud on each ear to allow for ambient noises to pass through. So this is especially helpful if you're walking around and you need to hear somebody talking to you, or you need to hear traffic, you need to hear something around you, but also want to have the benefits of noise cancellation. And in the Sony Connect app, you are able to tune that ambient pass-through at a degree of noise cancellation. So if you wanted no noise cancellation, you can set it that way, or you can have partial noise cancellation, and they even allow you to filter for voices. So you can cancel most ambient noises, but still pass through voices. So that's a really awesome feature, basically to allow you to configure how much of the environment that you want to hear around you. Another aspect of these earbuds as well is that they are fully calibratable by earbud for equalization. So if you want to change your bass and treble frequencies, your volumes within one or the other, you can also set that within the Sony Connect app. The other thing about the Sony Connect app is that you are able to also train the app to learn on your geolocation. So by using your GPS location, it can actually adjust whether or not you want noise cancellation. For example, if you're driving or commuting, if you're walking or running, or if you're just walking around and moving around in your home, and allow it to geofence, or basically geographically tag your location and automatically switch between noise cancellation or ambient sound pass-through. Now, if you want to do that manually, it's as simple as just tapping on the earbud. You can cycle through your ambient preset selection, or for full noise cancellation, or just turn it off. And this allows you to toggle between the noise cancellation features. This is especially intuitive, and more intuitive than the AirPods that have a lot less, the AirPod Pros that have a lot less customization in this regards. Okay, the AirPods themselves do have configurable tips. Some of them are clear, the other ones are black. The default ones fit my ear canal just fine, and they are very small. You can see that right here, and they come into a case that also serves as a charger. So this also will recharge the wireless earbuds themselves. This charges rapidly through a USB-C interface right there, and it comes with a short charging cable. Okay. The real downside about these earbuds that I haven't run into a problem yet, but anticipate this could be a problem, is their lack of weatherproofing. Unfortunately, these are not water resistance with any, rating. So my concern is in inclement weather, running in the rain, sweating a lot, these potentially could get messed up. And, especially these days, these end up going through the wash sometimes. So be careful because these do not have the robust weatherproofing or waterproofing as some other models. But that being said, we've had a set of AirPod Pros go through the wash once, and they survived with some crackles and fuzzes, but we ended up replacing them as that was not under warranty. Now, Sony does have this 3D reality audio that they allow you to demo. I think a lot of this is just software magic. There is some free trial that you can get through the app and allow you to enjoy more immersive, albeit simulated audio. I think it's a little bit hokey, but to each their own. That is built in through the app as well. The headset itself does allow you to take wireless calls. So there's a wireless Bluetooth feature. 10-minute charge on the case can allow you to play up to 90 minutes. Okay. And then a full charge can last upwards to 6 hours of playback. They're saying 6 to 18 hours music playback, probably about 6 max. That's rather reasonable. Does have Alexa and Google Assistant built in. And my Alexa is actually going off already. I don't know. Yeah, you don't know very much of anything. But again, I really don't need Alexa in my ear. This does also have the ability to be used as a single earbud. So a lot of people will ask, hey, what if I just want to use one or the other? Absolutely, you can leave the other one in the case and it will just pair with the single one. Some users say that you have to make sure that your personal assistant, be it Alexa or Google Assistant, is not in the one that's not paired. Otherwise, it might not work. But I had no difficulties using either earbud by itself as well. So it will operate in a single fashion. Again, I wish I could show you or let you hear how well they sound. But you have to take my word for it. As far as earbuds go, between the AirPods, the WF-1000 XM3s, the only criticism to Sony there is, guys, maybe you should just come up with an easier naming convention, right? Call it the XM3s. What's with the WF-1000, right? Kind of tricky naming. AirPod Pros, AirPods, those roll off the tongue. The WF-1000 XM3s really don't, but again, stellar product. Better than my Bose Sound Sports for sure. Which actually only lasted me about 3.5 hours running a marathon, which I was pretty disappointed. And that's why I have been on the hunt for a better set of earpods ever since, basically wireless headphones. So again, these run about 100, I think 150 retail. I think we got these on sale. I think it's 179 retail, but got these on sale down to the lower 100s. Worth the investment for the sound canceling or the noise canceling abilities, as well as the acoustic quality, as well as the customizable feature and traveling recharging case. All considered, this is a great improvement. If Sony, you guys are going to make an XM4 or XM5 model in the next iteration, I think they skipped XM2 and went from 1 to 3. Anyways, who knows? Waterproofing this for actually submersion or even at least just heavy sweat or rain would be the only improvement that I would foresee of this model. All right, this is Dan. This is the Chan Clan and our Tech Talk review of the Sony WF-1000 XM3 noise canceling headphones, earphones, earbuds, whatever, available at a electronics retailer near you. Let me know how they sound for you, what you think, any questions you have by leaving comments, and make sure to check out all our other Tech Talk posts available in the playlist as follows. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on our next Tech Talk.